See the dunya as a video game. Shaitan, the enemy, always trying to mislead you and make you lose. Prayer, health position, rejuvenates your soul and strengthens your resolve. The world, your level. Each day presents new challenges and new opportunities. Your soul, the character, it needs care, attention, and growth. Sins, obstacles to avoid. They hinder your progress and weaken your soul. Good deeds, power ups. They boost your spirit and bring you closer to victory. Quran and Sunnah, the guides. They provide the strategies and directions to succeed. Money, in-game currency, use wisely. It should be used to enhance your journey, not distract you. Hellfire, game over. The ultimate loss for those who fails the test. Jannah, ultimate victory. The reward for those who navigate the game successfully.